Hello, welcome back. Hope we have a wonderful time together today. I wish you have fun as watching and learning the course. Let's start. We're gonna discuss Select Distinct today. First, focus of this class to learn how to use Select Distinct. What is distinct? What for we use it? Distinct specifies that only unique row appear in the result set. Removes duplicates based on column list, results not source table. Provide uniqueness across set of selected columns. Remove rows already operated on by other clause. Basically, distinct is removing the duplicates in a set of columns. For example, imagine that you are at work and your boss wants to pull up all employees' personal information like phone number, address. There are many duplicates named in the table. You need to pull up different information belonging to each employee. So you want to pull up information of each employee from the table, but you would like to return only unique value. Then you need to use distinct clause. It will give you the unique combination across all columns, including all information about every single employee. So that is an important thing to remember. It goes across the entire row that you have selected and give you the result back without the duplicates. Let's move on to the second page. What is syntax for select distinct? Select distinct, column 1, comma, column 2, comma, column 3, 4, 5 from table. Let's move in SQL and explore more example together. I would like to give you real business example. I just want you to understand better distinct clause. Okay, are you ready? Let's start with the easy one. Let's say you would like to find out the unique store ID in the table. You need to build a query like this. Select distinct store ID from sales.customer. Sorry. Here. Highlight it, execute, and you will see all the unique store ID. I would like to show you something. Just delete the distinct and highlight it, execute it. Let's look at how many rows affected. It is 19,820, which is really too much. Let's add distinct clause and highlight it, execute. These are the unique store ID, and you will see 802 rows affected. As you can see, there is a huge difference between without distinct and with distinct. If you are looking for the unique value from the queries. Let's move on to the second example. Let's say your boss wants to learn how many unique vendors that the company purchase goods from. So you need to pull out with account number. First of all, let's find out our table here. It should be somewhere here. Purchasing vendors here with columns. Okay, so we are looking for vendor name, unique vendor names. Select distinct name of the vendors from the table, right? Purchasing vendors. Highlight it, execute, and you will see how many vendors your company has. 104 rows affected. But your boss required you to find out the account number as well, right? So you're gonna add the account number here. Sorry, there is no comma before distinct. There is a comma after the column 1 and then column 2 from purchasing vendor table. Highlight, execute, and you see how many account number corresponding the vendor name. Let's look at how many rows, unique rows, which there is 104 rows affected, which means you have 104 vendors with unique account number. Okay, let's move on. A little bit complicated this time. Let's create a little bit complicated query with distinct and where clause. Your boss would like to learn the list of vendors' name that vendor's credit note is equal 1. The reason your boss wants to see this result because she wants to change the purchasing plan for the vendors. Maybe she wants to eliminate the vendors that has the credit note equal 1. How we can set up the query for this question if your boss asks you? Let's summarize the question. We can add commands. She wants vendor list equal credit note should be 1, right? This is the summary of the request. Let's build the query. Select distinct because she wants unique values. Credit rating of the vendors, right? So we need the name of the vendors from purchasing vendor list table. Okay, let's run this query, execute. So we can show here the name of the vendor list in our result set. How many? 104 rows affected. There are, see, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we are looking for the only vendors corresponding credit note equal 1. So we're gonna use where clause, and credit note has to be equal 1, right? Let's run this query. Okay, right now, as you can see, we find the vendor list that has credit note is 1. How many vendors we have? 84 vendors in our result. Hope you had fun as watching and learning the course. See you in the next lecture.